Okay, the next section that we have left is our main section, which has all of our products. And obviously that's going to have to be very flexible. If we kind of look at our finished product, this is the section that probably responds the most to different widths of a browser. So that's the end product. Here's where we're at right now. Let's write some code. This is our main section. And we're starting by targeting the content class. If we take a look at where that is, content is on our main tag. Giving it some margin. And now we're targeting our product list. If we take a look at our product list, that's our unordered list, which is our parent of all of our list items. So this is what we're going to tell to display flex. We're going to tell it to wrap. So they go on multiple lines. Justify content, space evenly. Align items, stretch from the top to bottom. Align content, center. Get rid of the bullets. And zero out the margin and padding. Okay, we're beginning to get the responsiveness. That we're looking for, so that's good. Now we're going to target the product class. So let's take a look at what that is. That's our list items. Each list item we're also going to display flex. We're going to change the flex direction to column. We're going to make each one 200 pixels wide, so each list item is 200 pixels wide. Flex grow, flex shrink, and center the text. Okay, so now each list item is 200 pixels wide. Get a little bit more consistent with our columns there, consistent widths, so that's good. And now we're going to get the image to show up. Class of product image, width of 100%. Let's look at the HTML where that's targeting it. So this is our div with our background image that isn't showing up yet. Here's where we get it to show up when we say height of 150 pixels. Background repeat, no repeat. Background position, center, center. It's very similar to what we did for the spotlight. We gave it a width, we gave it a height, a background size of cover, no repeat, center. A width, a height, background size, background repeat, background position. Very similar. And there we go. The more I stretch out the page, the differently it responds. All the way down to a single row, and all the way down to 2 columns. Very nice. So what's left in this area is the product name class, product-name. Make it bold and increase the font size. Got a typo. There we go. So it kind of looks like a heading. It's bold, a little bit bigger. Okay, that's the end of our main section. So what we have left is a footer, and we have a couple of media queries, and that will be the end of this demonstration.